Have you ever scrolled through a recipe only to be deterred by a lengthy list of ingredients? I get it. I am Hannah, your host, and if you are ready to simplify your baking experience, you are in the right place. Say goodbye to your kitchen chaos as we whip up an easy breezy 3-ingredient banana bread. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Ready to begin? Grab your ripe bananas, self-rising flour, and sweetened condensed milk. Just these 3 things. Make sure your bananas have spots. It adds sweetness to your banana bread. Now, in a mixing bowl, mash up those ripe bananas. The riper, the better. It adds a lovely natural sweetness to our banana bread. Once mashed, add 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. This will give our banana bread the perfect rise without the need for baking powder. Next, the secret ingredient, sweetened condensed milk. Pour in 1 cup, and this will not only add sweetness but also give our banana bread that moist and dense texture. It's a game changer. Now, let's mix it all together until well combined. You want a smooth and creamy batter, and here's a tip. If your batter seems a bit dry, you can add a splash of milk to achieve the right consistency. Transfer your batter into a pre-greased loaf pan, smooth out the top with a spatula, and we are ready to bake. Pop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. If your bread is browning too quickly, simply cover it with aluminium foil to prevent overbrowning. And remember, every oven is different, so keep an eye on it towards the end. Time to jazz up your banana bread with some exciting toppings. Whether it's a playful sprinkle of chopped nuts, a luxurious drizzle of chocolate, or a classic dusting of powdered sugar, elevate your baking game with these endless possibilities. Now, your 3-ingredient banana bread masterpiece is ready for indulgence. I hope the simplicity of this recipe made your baking experience delightful. Explore a world of flavors at blogginggoodfood.com.